Hi, my name is Renee Smith. I'm Director of Workplace Transformation in the Governor's Results Washington office, where we believe that it's time to decrease fear and increase love in the workplace, especially in government. Love, you might say? Yes, love. In government? Yes, especially in government, but in every other kind of workplace too. And let me tell you why. Organizations are systems of people, people working with other people, people serving other people in one way or another. Even if we're making a product, we're ultimately serving people. We're not cogs or machines or objects or even resources. We're human beings. And we human beings are at our best when we are experiencing psychological safety. That basic acceptance and respect and belonging is one of two primary human emotions. The other is fear. And that fear brings on rejection and indifference, alienation and worry, withdrawal, anger, uncertainty, none of the good stuff in fear. But when we feel loved and cared for and respected, we settle in and we feel safe and committed and at ease to do our very best. And when we humans feel that way, we do incredible things. We engage and we serve and we invent and we solve problems and we collaborate and improve. All of those are essential behaviors and activities in a lean organization, in a lean workplace. And that's why building a workplace based on decreasing fear and increasing love and becoming more human-centered actually creates the conditions for this lean transformation that we're all pursuing. I hope that you'll join me at the LEI Lean Summit in Houston to learn more about my research and the practical ways we're putting love in action as part of our lean transformation in the state of Washington. Come explore how to make work more human, and I hope to see you in Houston.